Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. Wow, she's letting me touch her undercarriage.
Has she kicked you yet?
No. Usually she doesn't like it. Look at you letting me touch you.
She has to get used to it anyway.
I know, but
So.
trying to get her used to it. I'm not kneeling because I don't want her to kick because she has never had to be milked before, so she doesn't know.
Does she have milk in there? Or?
No. But it's come down quite a bit. Oh, now you don't like it. There she goes.
What?
Her face. This is crazy, Hazel.
Buddy's like playing.
I'm glad she's letting me do this.
Buddy was playing with her.
Oh, yeah.
Good boy.
That's what you want.
Do that to oh boy.
Back up a little bit. You're too close. Yes, good girl.
Oh look, someone else wants it.
Hi, 148. You want some lovin's too? Look how close we are to all the cows.
We need to get more red cows.
Oh, I love this. I love this. Okay, go back under the neck. Yes. 148 keeps coming closer. You want some?
She might.
Yeah, I think she does.
She's getting a little jealous.
I think maybe.
Oh look, Ferdinand's coming too. They're like dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Once one starts happening, then they all get jealous.
Mm-hmm.
Don't get shocked, buddy.
I love her fur. Look at this. This color is just beautiful.
Look, here's one of the bigger cows.
Hi. She likes to be pet too.
Look, there's one of them too.
Yeah, 153.
No, the smaller.
141. She can be a mean.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Is that
Yeah, 141 can be mean. Oh.
you were talking about the fur?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at it. It's yellow, orange, red. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah. You should save her.
Should shave her. Look, she's shedding. I can't wait because
Can you cut off hair of the cow? Is that bad?
Look at that.
You need to get the brush
I do. I need to start brushing her.
and find it.
I love this time of year. Hazel looks so pretty without her fur, like her summer coat. She's just so beautiful. I mean, she's beautiful with the fur, but it's a different type of pretty when she doesn't have her fur and she sheds it all. Oh, I guess she wants she wants some lovin's too. You? I know, the flies are getting so bad. Can I feel the baby inside?
Is it is it already like?
It's March, April, May, June. We got 3 months left. 3 months until she's due. Oh, Hazel. I wish you were out so that I could cuddle with you.
Yes, you are. Oh, here comes.
That scared me.
What a boy.
Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy my Hazel, because I enjoy her. Mwah. She's like, I've had enough. Have you had enough? Oh, yes. All right, bye, Hazel. We'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video, guys.